rain overnight, shaping up to be a pretty nice night.
Indeed. Especially when you consider the fact that technically a cold front has worked through the region. I think these are the kind of cold fronts you like, right? Let's take a look at the current conditions. 72 degrees. The skies are clearing out. One of the reasons for that is the air is drying out as well. The pressure steady, but it's going to be on the rise. There's your big clue. Winds out of the west to northwest at 16 miles an hour. So overnight tonight, if it hasn't cleared where you are, it will soon. Western parts of Duval, that's where it's going to be the lowest, 40 degrees. Pretty seasonable for this time of the year. Officially looking for 41 and 45 degrees along the river and out around the beaches. So certainly cooler than it was this morning, but again, just seasonably so. And here's how it's going to look around the rest of northeast Florida and southeast Georgia as we head toward dawn. So maybe you're just concerned about heading out this evening. Well, take a look at the temperatures, and I'm bringing these temperatures up because I want to show you why dew point is such a big deal. So look at the temperatures, pretty uniform temperatures around the area, lower and middle 70s. You can say, well, Valdosta is 67. So, okay, the spread across the area with the setting sun, 67 to 74 degrees. So what about this cold front? Well, now take a look at the dew points. Remember, the dew point is an indicator of how low the temperatures have to go for condensation. Another way to look at that, the lower the dew point, the drier the air. Wow, look at this dew point, 15 degrees in Waycross, 31 in Valdosta. So while they're looking at the temperatures, you might not see the cold front. Here it is right here, and as that blows on through, it will allow the temperatures to drop, but it also means the skies will be clear, and I think there'll be a fresher feel to the air, at least over about the next 24 hours. Way down south, for those of you over southern St. Johns County and Flagler County, I know there's still some clouds hanging around. I just wanted to show you the nearest showers are off to your southeast, and they are continuing to head away. Now, we won't be perfectly clear tomorrow as far as blue skies. These are cirrus clouds out over the Lone Star State, the parishes of Louisiana, and the Gulf of Mexico. They're headed our way. That's because of the subtropical jet stream, but those are just ice crystals up at about 30,000 feet. Because of that dry air I showed you, those clouds won't produce any precipitation, and they're just going to add some color really to the sunrise and sunsets tomorrow, and that is about it. Okay, so let's put it all together for you, and here's what we can expect. Now, what about Wednesday and Thursday morning? So generally speaking, seasonable temperatures across the area Wednesday morning, 38 degrees up toward the Okefenokee, out toward the Suwannee, 45 degrees out toward the beaches. Thursday, a little bit colder, maybe for some patchy frost out near the Okefenokee and the Suwannee, more like 42 degrees along the river and then out around the beaches. Then for the rest of the week, although Friday still seasonably cool, temperatures moderate towards Saturday. Looks like our next rain event will arrive on Sunday.